Peach Tres Leches. A dessert from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Place eggs into a mixing bowl, add sugar and start mixing on high. Step 2. Add water all at once, continuing to beat until mixture is fluffy and NBSP, and pale yellow. Meanwhile, sift all other ingredients together and set aside. Step 3. When the eggs are ready, pour all of the flour mixture into the eggs at once and blend thoroughly and quickly, or else eggs will drop the volume. Step 4. Pour into a lightly greased 13-inch by 9-inch pan and tap firmly once or twice on the counter to remove the air bubbles. Step 5. Place in a 400-degree preheated oven immediately for 10 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Remove the cake and cool, poke holes into the cake with toothpick and pour the milk mixture on top, then refrigerate. CountryReports, culture, countries, travel.